Hey guys, this is Taylor with Tayler'd Creations. I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but I'm back. This is different from my usual content, which is typically just prom. So I am trying to do something different. In this video, I am working on some athletic wear. I know we all have seen the prices of these Skims, Pop Flex, Lululemons, and in this video, I am making dupes of those companies. I am using patterns that I got online, all affordable, all beginner friendly. So just keep watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm open to all questions. I will have all the details as far as the patterns in the description box below. So let's get into it. For the green outfit, I'm using the Ember top from Edgewater Avenue. It was a bodysuit and I just cropped it. And then I'm using the crossover shorts / leggings pattern from Nat's Patterns. Again, beginner friendly. So here you can just watch the process of me making that, and then of course the reveal right after.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes when I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my almost feel it a smile. Still wanna try to believe in good days are always inside. Good days in my mind, help me on my fears, my limitations. I disappear if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone. Night. Ooh, way to deal, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit, can't do it, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I gotta keep from losing the rest of me. Still worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you babe, you don't care.
For this cream outfit, I saw a similar top on Lululemon for $58, and then I saw shorts for $68. For the shorts, I'm also using Nat's Patterns, but I'm using the regular biker shorts pattern. And then for the top, I'm also using Nat's Patterns. It's one of her crop tops.
Hey, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone.
For my last and final outfit, this was actually like my least favorite outfit. I don't know, I just didn't really like the pants, and then the shirt, I feel like if it was tighter, I may have liked it a little bit more, but yeah. Again, I used another net. I used one of the nets patterns, but I did the leggings this time instead of the shorts. And then my top, I got it from Edgewater Ave. It was called, I don't know, but I'm at right there. And again, I cropped it again. And yeah, I did like the back of that top a lot. But yeah, just keep watching.
Focus on me. Keep focus on me. Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Keep focus on me.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late. But I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, and my body, my body says, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby?
So we're at the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The green outfit was by far my favorite outfit. I did not really like the blue one, but I did like the back of the top itself. If you guys are interested in this type of content, I know this is different than my usual posts, you know, just let me know. This is just to show you that you do not have to spend $200 to look cute while working out. You can spend about $60, $40 to do it at home. You can customize it. You can switch them. Oh, you can wear the gray with the green, with the blue. You can do all the things, okay? Thanks for watching.